Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Whiskey Wednesday. Well, for me, it's actually Wonderful Wednesday. The reason is the ebook, the paperback, and the hardcover of Recipes Are Just Guidelines are now all available on Amazon. I checked the site last night just before I went to bed, and it was live. So, if you don't have it yet, jump online and get yourself a copy of Recipes Are Just Guidelines. Cookbook by me. All right, enough of that. Last night, I didn't cook dinner. I kind of padded this week's menu knowing I was being home alone. And there was no fresh ingredients in yesterday's meal, except for the cheese. The cheese will hold. Yeah. Because I had such a great leftover lunch from the Thai peanut chicken and rice that I was just full. Yes, yeah. But today, I am going to cook. And this is a simple stir fry of bok choy and mushrooms. Let's get to it. Got the hardware. It's Wok Wednesday. Wednesday. Brown rice, wok, bok choy, brown mushrooms. As you can see, they're whole. I didn't buy sliced. I'm going to cut these into quarters or maybe a little smaller. So like I said, this is a very simple Asian dish. Of course, a little bit of kosher salt, some black pepper for the sauce, sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ginger, garlic. There's some green onion in this. There's a little bit of sugar going to be added to this. I'm going to be using the Chinese dried chilies that I purchased at Super X. There's my brown rice. And I brought up the ginger, yes. Now, I'm going to bring this up. I'm using the tube ginger because it's so convenient. Very convenient. And GZ from the Food Network recommends it, loves it, and yeah. So, simple dinner, nice and fresh. I love bok choy, and I won't forget the bok choy this time because it's the main ingredient. Yeah, it's kind of hard to forget bok choy in this one. Yeah. All right. The auction is still going until 5 o'clock this evening, Pacific Standard Time, or Pacific Time, whatever we're in. I can't remember. But 5 o'clock East or West Coast time. The last time I saw it, it was still sitting at $25. Bid high, bid often. All you got to do is just scroll through the Casual Chef Kitchen's feed to find it. All right. On this wonderful Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.